Welcome to Techilibar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make any specific cell text italicize on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. You can see in my document all the text are same categories. Now if you want to make this cell text italicize, at first you have to just select it and then right click on mouse, and here you can see format cells option, then just click here. After that click on font option. Now here you can see font style option, and here you can see four options: regular, italic, bold and bold italic. From here you can choose any option as you want. If you want to italicize your text, you have to just select italic from here and then click on OK, and it's done. You can see this specific cell text has been italicized successfully, and that way you can make any font italicize as you want. And that is how you can make specific cell text italicize on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.